Hey everyone. So, have you ever opened Grammarly and suddenly it just stops working? Maybe the suggestions don't appear, the extension won't load, or Grammarly isn't checking your writing at all. Yeah, that can be pretty frustrating. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix Grammarly not working using a few simple troubleshooting steps that usually solve the problem in 2026. All right? First thing you should try, refresh the page you're working on. Sometimes Grammarly stops responding because the browser page hasn't loaded properly. Just reload the page and wait a few seconds to see if Grammarly activates again. Next, make sure the Grammarly browser extension is actually turned on. Open your browser extensions menu and look for the Grammarly icon. If it's disabled, simply enable it again. Another quick fix is signing out of your Grammarly account and then signing back in. Yeah, this refreshes your session and often fixes syncing issues between Grammarly and your browser. If Grammarly still isn't working, clearing your browser cache can help. Over time, stored browser data can cause extensions to glitch or stop loading properly. Clearing the cache removes those temporary files and forces everything to reload fresh. If the problem continues, try updating or reinstalling the Grammarly extension. Sometimes extensions break after browser updates, and reinstalling them resets everything back to normal. One more thing. Grammarly doesn't work perfectly on every website, so if it's not working in a specific editor or web page, try copying your text into a supported editor like Google Docs or the Grammarly web editor. And that's it. Most of the time, refreshing the page, enabling the extension, or reinstalling Grammarly will fix the issue pretty quickly. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.